Welcome to our tutorial about playing video. In our previous tutorial, we used the audio class to play audio. The audio class has some limitations. For example, it only plays WAV files. It's got some other limitations too. Well, in this tutorial, we're going to use Windows Media Player. Now, in order for this to work, your user needs to have Windows Media Player installed on his or her system. So that is one limitation of playing video with Windows Media Player. Let's begin by right-clicking and selecting Choose Items. Now go to the COM Components tab, scroll down, and let's select Windows Media Player. Click OK. Windows Media Player is added to our toolbar. Let's just drag it onto our form and resize. Okay, and let's rename this control as well. Let's call it WMP. That, of course, stands for Windows Media Player. Now let's double-click on the window form. And we'll type some code. WMP period URL space equals and then the path C:\video /video.avi. Let's close that quotation. The video will simply start playing on Form 1 _ load procedure. Let's run the program to check it out. And we've got video and audio. Okay, let's stop our program. Of course, we can explore a full range of Windows Media Player abilities. For example, WMP.settings period auto start equals false. And let's run our application. Now, when the program loads, the play doesn't start until we press the play button. As you've probably guessed by this point, each feature that Windows Media Player has can be incorporated into our application so that we can customize how the player works. Now, the only drawback, as I mentioned before, is that the user needs to have Windows Media Player already installed on his or her computer. And this concludes our tutorial about playing video.